Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a thermostat on a GMC Envoy. First, gather your tools, including a wrench set, pliers, and a drain pan. Always ensure the engine is completely cool to prevent burns from hot coolant. Next, locate the thermostat housing, which is usually found near where the upper radiator hose connects to the engine. This preparation is crucial for a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's drain the coolant. Position a suitable drain pan directly beneath the radiator to catch all the fluid. Carefully loosen the radiator drain plug or detach the lower radiator hose clamp to allow the coolant to flow out. Once the system is mostly drained, you can proceed to remove the upper radiator hose from the thermostat housing, giving you clear access to the component. With the housing exposed, unbolt it and gently remove the old thermostat. Take a moment to thoroughly clean the mating surfaces of the housing and engine block to ensure a leak-free seal with the new gasket. Now, install the new thermostat, making sure its spring is oriented towards the engine. Reattach the housing, tightening the bolts to the manufacturer's specifications for a secure fit. Finally, reconnect all hoses and ensure all clamps are tightened securely. Refill your cooling system with the appropriate type and amount of coolant, bleeding any air from the system as needed. Start the engine and check for any leaks, allowing it to reach operating temperature. Remember to check the description for a link to leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Always monitor your coolant levels over the next few days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.